Hi, welcome back to the channel. Now spring's here. I've got to start doing some of the projects we've got lined up for at home. I'm afraid my life's not all about fixing motorbikes. We decided we're going to have some more chickens. This is the chicken run as we got as such, and we've how many chickens have we got? 4 or 5? Yeah, we have 4 chickens at the moment. We're going to increase what we got. Now, what we do in the mornings, we let them out here and let them roam in this area here as much as they want. But it's quite surprising how much damage a chicken can do. They dig holes everywhere. We've got some more bits of fruit trees and things we're going to plant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend the run here all the way down to the fence line. So then the chickens will have this piece here they can do as they wish, then they're in there with the dog. And I shall just keep the gate I've got in, then remove this panel here. So what I'm going to do first, I've got my post digger here, saves me digging holes. I'm going to measure out the ground, dig the holes for the posts. I'm then going to, I've just got all the new wood delivered, I'm going to saw it into the lengths I need, treat it with wood preservative. Then when they're ready, we're going to mix some concrete up and put it in the holes in the ground. The wire's been ordered, it should be here this next few days, so we get this all fenced off and then we can get some more chickens in here. Then we can set about sorting the ground out here for whatever trees, shrubs and bushes we're going to do. Right, well, I'll get on and get it measured out.
Ian's just finishing off doing the last few holes. I'll let you see him at work. We've got 800mm in the ground. It goes. Get a post cut up now. The one that we've had come is in 4 metre lengths. We need 2 metres for each post. So Ian's marked it out and he's just going to cut it with his chop saw. to get them stained before being concreted in the ground.
Right, posts have been lacquered or stained, whatever you want to call it. Leave them to dry till tomorrow. I'll get them concreted in tomorrow, I hope. Then as the concrete dries, I'll give them another coat because it'll soak into this wood. Trouble is, the wood here from Bulgaria isn't dried at all. It's like wet wood, if you want to call it that. You know, it goes to the wood yard as a chopped down tree. It's cut into whatever sizes it wants to be, and then they sell it at timber yards. Trouble is, you buy it straight and it's wet, you put it in and it twists like a corkscrew, or bends left or bends right, but I'm afraid that's Bulgaria. I do try to usually have a stocking, and I stack the wood and put weights on it to keep it straight, but I'd run out, and this has just come straight from the timber yard. Straight at the minute, but we'll see how it goes, eh? Right, I'm going to leave that to dry now. I think it's time for a cup of tea. Alright, just going to check the posts, see whether they're dry. Yeah, dry enough to handle anyway. So I'll get these carted down to the holes, drop them in the holes, and we'll mix some concrete up and get them set in today.
Ian's mixing the cement now, just tipping some more water in. Yeah, giving it a good mix. Getting the posts ready for the hole. Here comes number 2. Good job we got all the holes pre-dug yesterday. Alright.
I'm just waiting for the cement to mix up now, and then we'll put the cement in the holes, straighten the holes up.
Tipping a bit more water in. Getting a good mix going there. Bit more gravel going in.
Right, just waiting for the last batch of cement to go off. Nearly got most of the posts in now. Just got the 2 more left. One here, one down by the fence line, but I'm going to have to chop some of the tree back and re-dig the next hole. I got a bit out of line there. But that's pretty good. Give it a couple of days for the cement to go off really hard. Then give the posts another coat of wood preservative. And then I think the wire's coming. Is it tomorrow? Yeah, I think the wire's here tomorrow, so what day is that? Wednesday. Maybe Thursday or Friday. Definitely by Friday. As long as the weather's still okay, we'll be putting the wiring up. And then, when's your next bird market?
Not this weekend, next one.
Ah, so a fortnight time we can go get some more chickens. Make it look a bit better. Then, next project is to sort this piece of ground out. It's a bit unlevel and That's the job for the summer.
The roll of wire for the chicken run fence has turned up today, so Ian's been busy getting it fitted up between the posts with a bit of help from me. He's just doing the last few finishing touches at the minute. I'll turn the camera around and you can see him. There we are. As you can see, the wire's all the way along now. If we go down here, all the way to the bottom. There we are. Now, not this weekend but next, there's the local fur and feather market just up the road from where we live. There we can buy all sorts of animals, chickens, turkeys, ducks, you name it, they've got them. So we should be going there a week on Saturday to get some more chickens to go along with these 4 that we've got at the minute. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and leave us any comments. We do read them all and we will reply to any questions. Thanks for watching.